In today's video we are going to talk about what the Wall Street expectations are for NIO Day and the NIO stock price in 2021. According to 15 analysts on Wall Street, NIO stock price could end up either on $100, $327 or $394.93. I am a little bit surprised by this. I did not expect that some Wall Street analyst could be so bullish for NIO like me. Because the NIO stock value has already grown more than 1,100% already. Analysts are expecting that the sales of NIO will be between $24, $3 billion to $37, $4 billion in 2021. Overall, 2020 has provided quite a ride for everyone. And as we look back at the past year, some of the best stocks on Wall Street emerged from the rubble of the novel coronavirus pandemic. The EV market welcomed many new faces to the playing field in 2020. Names like Fisker, Nikola and XPeng popped up after their own initial public offerings, IPOs. And while the giants like Tesla continue to be the top dogs of the sector, the EV arms race is heating up. With that being said, Investor Place readers selected NIO as their best stock for 2021. And while shares are up more than 1,100% year to date, NIO stock didn't have most of its gains until the second half of this year. Thus, let's look at how the Tesla of China can ride that momentum into a new year. If you like this video so far, then give it a thumbs up. Smash the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates on NIO stocks. Growth of Delivery Figures Nio cars. At this moment, NIO boasts a line of 3 different vehicles, ES8, ES6 and EC6. The EC6 officially launched at the end of 2019, but didn't begin actual deliveries of the specific vehicle until late September of this year. Nonetheless, NIO's delivery figures gradually grew throughout the year. On a quarterly basis, the China-based EV company jumped from 3,838 vehicle deliveries in the first quarter of 2020 to 12,206 in Q3. That is extremely impressive, especially since that figure was just about 4,800 in Q3 the previous year. Additionally, NIO also announces its delivery figures on a month-by-month basis. Most recently on December 1st, the EV maker announced its November deliveries reached 5,291 vehicles, a 109% increase year-on-year. Comparing that to January's deliveries reaching 1,598, it's quite the boost. Sure, adding another vehicle to your arsenal helps. But as said before, the EC6 did not begin deliveries until later in 2020. That, in turn, makes this growth even more impressive. Furthermore, the firm said it delivered just 20,565 vehicles during 2019. And while we have to wait until January to receive the full year figures, I imagine that number will be drastically higher. According to Barron's, CEO William Lee said NIO should reach an annual production capacity of 150,000 vehicles by the end of 2021. And looking even further, Lee hopes the firm could even double that number. Thus, if NIO can continue its growth and innovation, it seems there's nothing stopping NIO stock from going higher. What can we expect on NIO Day? Speaking of innovation, there is a very important day approaching for NIO stock investors. The company's annual event, NIO Day, is taking place on the 9th of January, and many are expecting major announcements about new products and technologies. One of the main attractions will be the introduction of a new sedan. This would be the company's 4th mass-produced model, with speculation suggesting it will likely have a coupe design like the Audi A7. This model might get mass-produced in the last quarter of 2021. And NIO might announce a new car for 2022. NIO is expected to announce a 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack that will likely increase the range of its EVs to over 900 kms. The new pack is expected to be compatible with all existing NIO models. An upgrade to NIO's advanced driver assistance system platform, named NT 2.0, is also expected to be unveiled at the event. It will likely feature LiDAR technology. The company will also announce its second-generation battery swap stations. Investor expectations in the run-up to the event could lift NIO's shares, which have been range-bound below the all-time highs reached on November 24th. Next up is the company's deliveries update for December, which is due in early January. With NIO having deliveries 10,346 vehicles for the first 2 months of the fourth quarter, the company would need to deliver 6,654 vehicles in December to hit the high end of its fourth quarter guidance range of 16,500 to 17,000. NIO plans to expand point of sales, including NIO houses and NIO spaces, from 187 to 200 by the end of 2020, and add another 100 in 2021. The EV maker is planning to start building its second-generation battery swap stations in the second quarter of 2021, with 300 stations likely to be built in 2021. The rapidly expanding battery swap network will further improve the NIO user experience. NIO expressed confidence in defending its market share against traditional OEMs, original equipment manufacturer, which are planning a foray into the high-end EV market. As the company believes it takes a long time to build brand equity and consumer perception, according to Bank of America. So we can expect a lot of good things on NIO Day. I think that many of this hasn't been calculated in the stock price of NIO yet. Therefore I think NIO stock price is going to pump up this week. We might get a buy on the rumors and sell on the news vibe. Which means that the stock price of NIO will go up this week, and then on Monday the 11th of January we might see some profits taking place. For me it will be a good opportunity to buy more stocks of NIO. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a like if you haven't already and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.